Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm not a celebrity, trying out something a little different today. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by leaving a comment below and subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see more of. Now let's get into it. So I was just browsing around Stockx and go see what the prices on these Union ones was. So I decided to see what each site charges for a size 12. So I started out checking Stockx, and as you can see from the pic, it will cost me $1,030 for a size 12. So then I decided to check out GOAT, and to my surprise, GOAT is now charging tax in my state. I was aware Stockx was doing that, but not here in my state. So I proceeded to check what it would cost me on GOAT. As you can see from the pic, $1,235.74. I would have to pay $100 plus in tax for them. That really sucks. I'm better off buying on Stockx for this. So I went to GOAT's frequently asked questions, and as of February 1st, they started this. But I did some more digging, see if I can get around it if I found a greater deal on GOAT. So GOAT says they don't determine tax by billing address. Instead, they're determining the tax by the shipping address. So if you know someone in a state with no tax, you can use that shipping address, a little workaround if you need it. Do you guys feel sales tax is a deal breaker to even buy on these platforms anymore? Let me know your thoughts below. Until next time, peace.